Welcome to Learn with Spy.
In this video, we're going to see the basics of database management system. As in the word database management system, we can see three words: data, database, and database management system. Let's define the data. Data is nothing but any fact that can be recorded is called data. For example, text, numbers, audio, videos, and images. Now let's see about the database. Database is nothing but collection of related data is known as database. For example, multimedia, which is collection of videos. Database management system. It can be defined as a set of programs used to define, construct, and manipulate the data. For examples, MySQL, SQLite, Oracle, and MS Access. There are five types of SQL in database management system. Those are data definition language, data manipulation language, data query language, and data control language, and last and finally, transaction control language. In DDL, data definition language contains of some commands. First one is create. Create is used to creating the database or also used for creating the tables in the database. So let's see how to create the database. The syntax is create database followed by database name. The syntax for creating the table name is create table followed by table name, and within the parenthesis we write the column name and its data type. The second command is alter. Alter is used to add, delete, rename, and modify the columns in the table. So let's see the syntax to add a column in the table. Alter table, table name, followed by add, column name, and its data type. So here we are using the add keyword for adding a column using alter. Now let's see how to delete a column from a table. Alter table table name followed by drop column column name. Here we are using the drop keyboard for the deleting a column from the table. The third one is renaming a column with a new name. So the syntax is alter table followed by table name, and we are using a keyword rename column old name to new name. To modify the data type, we use the modify keyword. The syntax is alter table followed by table name, modify column name, and the data type which we want to modify. The last one is we can also change the table name to new table name. So the syntax is alter table followed by old table name to new table name. So the third command in the data definition language is drop. It is used to delete the table from the database permanently. So the syntax is drop table followed by table name. The truncate is used to delete only data, not the table. So the table will be present in the database, but the data does not exist. The syntax is truncate table followed by table name. Now let's see about data manipulation language. The first command is insert. Insert is used to add a new row to the table. Here we can call rows as a tuple. Here we can create the insert in three ways. The first way is directly we give the values. The syntax is insert into table name followed by within the parenthesis values. The second way is we're going to give the column names as well as values to the command. The syntax is insert into table name followed by columns and followed by values, and within the parameters we're going to give the values. The third way is we're going to give dynamically, as the above two we give only for the single line. But if we want to give multiple columns at a time, it takes lot of time for the above two commands. So the third command will make the task easy. The syntax is insert into table name followed by values. Within the parameters, we're going to use the ampersand symbol and followed by column names. By this, it's going to ask use the user enter the column name value. So by that, user can interact with dynamically. The next command is delete. Delete is used to delete the rows from the table. The syntax is delete from table name where condition. Here we're going to use the condition to delete table because we don't know which tuple should be removed from the table. So based on the condition given by the user, the tuple will be deleted. The next command is update. The update is used to modify the existing data from the table. If you want to update a particular row, so we're going to give condition here too. So the syntax is update table followed by set column equals to value. We can give multiple columns and multiple values at a time by using the condition. Now let's see about data query language. In data query language, we have only one command, select. The basic syntax of select is select star from table name. Here we can see parameters. Within the parameters is optional. So we can give where followed by condition or group by followed by column name or having followed by condition or order by followed by column name or limit followed by number. These are all optional. So based on the user requirement, we're going to use these. So we can discuss it in next sessions. So let's see the basic syntax of the select. So we're going to use the asterisk symbol for getting all the tuples and all the columns from the table. So select star from table name. The second way is we want a particular column from the table. So we use as select column from table name. And the third way is if you want to select particular tuple and want get all the columns from the table, then we use select star from table name where condition. Now let's see about data control language. Data control language commands cannot be used in real life. So these are not useful for us, but we're gonna see them. Grant. Grant gives the permission to the user, which the user should able to view the data. Revoke is opposite to grant, which removes the permissions to the user. And the transaction control language. These are also not useful in real life. There are three commands in transaction control language. First one is commit. It lets user permanently save the changes in table or database. So by using commit, we're gonna save the changes that are made recently. The rollback, which retrieves the data which is deleted in previous step accidentally. In real time, if we accidentally deleted data, then we can retrieve it back. So the same way the rollback is also works. The save points, it makes some checkpoints and it saves up to the some certain point. So there we're going to use the save point. Thank you for watching us.